Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of using mind maps in Google Notebook LM. First of all, what are some benefits of using mind maps in Notebook LM? The very first one is visual clarity of ideas. Mind maps make complex information easier to understand by organizing ideas visually. You can see how topics are connected, which helps in grasping the bigger picture quickly. So, if you are someone who likes to look at images like flowcharts and understand the concepts, this tool is going to help you a lot in Notebook LM. So the first benefit is visual clarity of ideas. And the second one is enhanced memory and recall. When you use a mind map, you are engaging both sides of your brain. Logical, which is left side of the brain, and creative, which is the right side of the brain. This boosts memory retention and helps you remember information better. And the third one is faster learning and note overview. And the fourth one is better content summarization. If you want to summarize the content, you can use it, you can do it easily. And the fifth one is it encourages you to be a creative thinker. And the last one is it focuses on relationships between concepts. So these are some benefits of using mind maps. Now I will take you to Notebook LM tool to show how we can create mind maps. So we are going to Google Notebook LM once again, and we are going to create new to create a notebook. So I'm going to click on create new. Okay, it is saying upload the sources. So we can upload PDF file or Word document or text document or audio file or video file, whatever it is. In this video, I'm going to show how we can upload some PDF documents to create mind maps. Okay, so I'm going to click on choose file here, and I'm going to select a file. I am planning to learn more information about sun topic. Okay, sun topic. So I'm going to select sun PDF here, and I'm going to click on open. So I'm doing research about sun. So I'm uploading PDF document about sun. Okay, it seems like the document is uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is, if you scroll down, you see an option called mind map here. Okay, there is an option called mind map. If you click on mind map, it is going to create a mind map in a few seconds. See, it says new mind map generating mind map. So it is going to take a few seconds. Okay, it seems like the mind map has been created. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. If you see now, a beautiful mind map has been created. The main heading is the sun, or stars, life and influence. So this is the main topic, and if you see here, there is a beautiful mind map. There is a beautiful mind map. Here it says introduction, structure. So if you want to minimize or maximize, you can do it here. If you want to move it to the left, you can move it to the left using the mouse cursor. So I'm going to maximize it. So if you see here, mind map is created. Introduction, structure and composition, solar activity, the sun's life cycle, the sun and earth. If you want to go deep into this, click on introduction, and it will take you into introduction topics now. So if you see here, this is the introduction topic. If you want to expand more, if you want to learn more, all you need to do is expand it and maximize it. And if you see here, from introduction you have crucial celestial body, location and size, star type, age, key facts. So if you want to learn about these things now, all you need to do is put your cursor and click on it, and it is going to take you to the next topic. See, if you want to learn about this topic, you can learn it from here. If you want to move to the next topic, all you need to do is you can maximize it here. See the key facts: type G2V yellow dwarf star, age 4.6 billion years, diameter 1.39 million kilometers. So it is giving more details about this. At any point in time, if you want to learn another topic, all you need to do is click on star type and it will take you to that particular mind map. So this is the next one. G type, main, sequence star, yellow dwarf, misleading, actual, white. So if you click on it, it will take you to that particular topic. So you can learn directly like this using Notebook LM. See, you can find all the details about this particular topic. Now, here comes the interesting thing. What I'm going to do is, I'm going back here to Notebook LM. Now, I would like to add another PDF. I would like to do research about moon as well at the same time. Right now we are doing research on sun. I feel like adding moon as well to the source, so that I would like to research both sun and moon at the same time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add here. I'm going to click on choose file. I'm going to select moon PDF. I'm going to click open and I'm going to wait until the document is uploaded. See, the document is uploaded now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on mind map once again. If you see now, the mind map about moon is getting created. Okay, if you see now, it says celestial bodies, the sun and moon. I'm going to click on it. Now, if you see the mind map now, it has changed. Now it has added about moon as well in the mind map. So if you want to click on moon, it will take you to these topics. See, it is going to take you to these topics. And if you want to learn about key facts, click on key facts and it is going to give more details about moon as well. See, type natural satellite, age 4.51 billion years, diameter 3474 kilometers, mass. So this is going to help you a lot, especially if you are learning some concepts that are interconnected like sun and moon, maybe Mars and Mercury, whatever it is. It could be any topic. It could be any topic. If you want to compare and learn, this is going to help you a lot. So if you click on it, for example, it will take you directly to this and you can learn information about this topic from here. See, the source provides specific details about the moon's mass as crucial key fact that helps define its physical nature and influence within the solar system. So this is a very important feature in Google Notebook LM. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.